Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Alpha Basics, where you will find the solution for maths as well as Java. So before I begin, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Alpha Basics, because your subscription gives me motivation. So today we will start with a new chapter, logarithms. In short, we say log also. So see, logarithms were developed for making complicated calculations simple. However, with the advent of computer and calculators, doing calculations using logarithms is no longer necessary. I am writing 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. Is it clear? This is called exponential form. Okay, exponential form. Clear? Okay, so we will write this thing in logarithmic form. We will write this thing as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. And what is this? This is your logarithm form. Okay, and how you read this? We write logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. How to change exponential form to logarithmic form and back from logarithmic form to exponential form? See, 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. So there are 3 elements, 2, 3 and 8. So this is, I am rounding it off. So this, understand it very clearly. Huh? So this 2, I am giving it the arrow like this, which means this 2 will go down and it will come up. And this 3 and 8 will interchange their positions. 3 will come this side and 8 will come this side, in order to change exponential to log, log to exponential. See, this is an exponential form. Okay, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Now I am changing it to logarithmic form. So see, 2 is over here in this level. So 2 will get below. So 2 has come little bit down, and 8 has interchanged its position. It has come over here and 3 has gone over there. So log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Now in order to change into exponential form, like how? Suppose this is only given, log 8 to the base 2 to the is equal to 3. So exponential form, what I told you, this will just shift up. Okay, so write like this 2. Okay, and I have told you these and this will interchange their position. So 3 will come this side, so 3, and 8 will go there. So 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. See, this exponential form. So convert to logarithmic form. We have to convert this exponential form to logarithmic form. Okay, so this is the question. 10 to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. So how we will write it in logarithmic form? So we will write log 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to 4. So this is your answer. Clear? Now next question, 3 to the power minus 5 is equal to x. How we will write it in logarithmic form? We will write log x to the base 3 is equal to minus 5. So this is your answer. Very simple. Okay, now we will change this logarithmic form to exponential form. See, convert to exponential form. So, logarithmic form is given. So, see, this is log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So, how we will change? So, this will shift up. So, 3 and this will interchange. So, 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Okay. So, this is your answer. Now, again log of 32 to the base 8 is equal to 5 by 3. So, how? This 8 will shift up. Okay. And this will interchange its position. So, it will be is equal to 32. Now, we have to find the value of log 16 to the base 2 and another question log 2 to the base 16. So, first we will take this one. So, how we will find out the value of log 16 to the base 2? So, we will assume let log 16 to the base 2 is equal to how much? X. Clear? So, this thing we can write it as 2 to the power x is equal to 16. Clear? In the exponential form, this 2 will come up and 16 and x interchange. So, x has come over here and 16 is there. Clear? Now, 2 to the power x equal to 16. 16 means 2 to the power 4. Clear? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. Clear? So, 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 4. So, what you can write? X is equal to 4. Okay. You remember this rule. If a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then m is equal to n, where a is not equal to 1. Okay. Log 16 to the value base 2 is equal to 4. So, this is your answer. So, value log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Clear? Similarly, this one also we will work it out. So, let log 2 to the base 16 is equal to x. So, just convert it. So, 16 will rise up and x and 2 will interchange their position. So, 16 to the power x is equal to 2. So, 16 you can write 2 to the power 4. X is equal to 2. So, 2 to the power 4x is equal to 2 means 2 to the power 1. So, same thing, 4x is equal to 1. In the bracket same, a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. So, m is equal to n, where a is not equal to 1. So, x is equal to how much? 1 by 4. So, your answer will be what? Log of 2 to the base 16 is equal to 1 by 4. So, this is your, now we will solve for x. So, the question is given log 16 to the base x is equal to 2. So, we need to find the value of x. So, we will write it in exponential form. So, x will move up and this 16 and 2 will interchange. So, 2 is equal to 16. Now, x square is equal to what it will be? You just do it like this. So, x is equal to 4 into 4. So, plus minus 4. As it is square root. So, plus minus 4. So here we will write x equal to minus 4 is not possible. Is not possible because remember because in log base cannot be negative, x is base over here. So because in log base can't be negative, base can't be negative, okay. So remember this thing. So x is base, so it cannot be negative. So your x value of x will be positive. So 4. So 4 will be your answer. Come over here. So here log 27 to the base 9 is equal to 2x plus 3. So we will write 9. So this will interchange 2x plus 3 is equal to 27. So 9 you can write 3 square. Clear? So this is 2x plus 3 and 27 you can write 3 to the power cube. Now this you can write 4x plus 6, okay, multiply m to the power n, so it gets multiplied, is equal to 3 to the power 3. So it will be 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. Same, a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then m is equal to n where a is not equal to 1. So here a is 3, not equal to 1. So 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. So your 4x it will be what? 3 will come this side, so 3 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to minus 3, or x will be equal to minus 3 by 4. So this is the value of x. Now we will look important law of logarithms. So I have written over here few important laws which is applicable while solving the problems, okay. So first we will look these laws, and then we will solve little sums depending upon this law. Now the first law is your product law, okay. Now what product law says is that log mn, that means log m into n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a, okay. So if mn it would have been L, that means all the products you can write in the form of addition, okay, with the same base. So this is the product law. Now the quotient law, another one is quotient law. What quotient law says? Log m by n to the base a, you can write it as log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Again power law, it says that log m to the base a to the power n, you can write this will come in front, n log m to the base a. This is the power law. So these three laws are very important, your product law, quotient law and power law. Now you have to remember log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Then log a to the base a is equal to 1. That means log of any number to the base of same number will be equal to 1. Now log 2 is equal to log 2 with the base 10. That means if you will find that no base is given, like over here no base, then we take base as 10. Clear? Now next is your log a to the base a to the power x, so this will come this side. So it will result into x. How this thing is happening? See, log a to the base a x. So here what it will be, if I will apply the power law, so this I can write this as x log a to the base a, okay, like power law says. So this log a to the base a is how much? Is 1, okay. See, this fifth number log a to the base a is 1. So I can write this thing x into 1, which is equal to x. So I can write log a to the base a to the power x is equal to x. Now this is another important one, is that log a to the base b into log b to the base a. See, the bases are interchanging, okay. A over here, b is the base. Now a has come this side and b has come over here. So if this be the case in a product form, then it results into the value of 1. And this is the reciprocal formula, where log a to the base b, if you write this thing equal 1 by, then your this thing base and this will be interchanging. So that is why it is called reciprocal. See, it is log a to the base b, it has become log b to the base a, 1 by log b to the base a. So this is called your reciprocal formula. And the last one is that a log x to the base a will result into x. Clear? So you jot it down. We will be doing just simple sums over these formulas. Okay, now we will try to solve this two simple questions. So we will simplify this. So first one, 3 plus log 10 to the base 10 to the power minus 2. So what we can write this one as, this 2 will come this side, so it will be log 10 to the base 10, okay. So 3 plus minus 2, log 10 to the base 10 is how much? Is 1. So it will be 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So this is your answer. Clear? Now come here, log 125. So 125 you can write is at 5 to the power cube, and log you can write 5 to the power half. Clear? So this one you can write it as 3 log 5, and this one you can write half log 5. Clear? So your log 5 you can cancel. So it will be what? 3 into 2 to the power 1. This will go like this. So 3 into 2, 6. So this is your answer. Okay. See this one. Log 72 base 6 minus log 2 to the base 6. So what you can write this one as 72 by 2 to the base 6 according to your quotient law. Okay. So now this you can cancel. So it will be what? 36. So log 36 to the base 6. Now again 36 you can write it as 6 square to the base 6. Again this thing will come over here, log 6 to the base 6. So now this log 6 to the base 6 is how much? 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this is your answer. Now this one 2 plus 1 by 2 log 9 to the base 10 minus 2 log 5 to the base 10. So 2 over here. So what we will do is that 2 into, I am writing it as 10 to the base 10. We can write, because log 10 to the base 10 is how much? 1. So 2 into 1 is same 2. So I can write 2 like this. Now log 9 to the base 10 to the power half minus log 5 to the base 10 to the power 2. We can write like this. So now 2 here you can write like this, log 10 square to the base 10. Log 9 you can write 3 square to the base 10 and to the power half minus log 5 square you can write 25 to the base 10. So this will become what? Log 100 to the base 10 plus this 2 will get cancelled. So it will be what? Log 3 to the base 10. Is it clear? Now 2 into half. So 2 will get cancelled. So this is 3 minus log 25 to the base 10. Now again this one you can write it as log 100 into 3, your product law, minus log 25 by 10 to the base 10. Now apply your quotient law. So it will be 100 into 3 by 25. So just cancel it, 25 fours are. So it will be log 12 to the base 10. So this is your answer. That's all for today. We have ended our logarithm chapter. So if you find a difficulty, you comment me. I'll try to answer you. And in the next, we will be learning your rational and irrational numbers. Okay, where we will be rationalizing the surds and all. So do keep watch my videos and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Alpha Basics. Thank you.